Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, Miss
morning,
Atom.
ma'am.
So today we are going to discuss about the types of storage devices. So does anyone knows what a storage device is?
Ma'am.
Yes, Jerome.
Ma'am, a storage device is a piece of computer equipment on which information can be stored.
Yes, Jerome, very good. Now I have here 10 storage devices and I will assign each of you to explain. Jerome and Gian will each have 3 and Ralph you will explain 4, okay? You will have 20 minutes to prepare. I will message you for your topic. You may now leave the meeting but don't forget to come back after 20 minutes. Okay, class, now we are going to start with Ralph, then alternate with Jerome, then Gian.
A hard disk drive, also known as a hard drive, can be found installed in almost every desktop computer and laptop. It stores files for the operating system and software programs, as well as user documents such as photographs, text files, videos, and audio. The drive, the drive uses magnetic storage to record and retrieve digital information to and from one or more fast spinning disks.
2. Floppy disks, also known as a diskette, floppy, or FD. The floppy disk is another type of storage medium that uses magnetic storage technology to store information. Floppy disks were once a common storage device for computer and lasted from the mid-1970s through to the start of the 21st century. The earliest floppies were 8-inch in size, but these were replaced by 5 and 1/4 inch disk drives, and finally, a 3 and 1/2 inch version.
In the past, magnetic tape was often used for digital data storage. Because of its low cost and ability to store large amount of data, the technology essentially consisted of a magnetic, magnetically thin coated piece of plastic wrapped around wheels. Its relative slowness and unreliability compared to other storage data solutions has resulted in it now belong largely abandoned as a media.
The compact disc, known for short as CD, is a form of optical storage, a technology which employs lasers and lights to read and write data. Initially, compact discs were used purely for music, but in the late 1980s they began to be used also for computer data storage.
5. DVD and Blu-ray discs. The DVD and Blu-ray discs are formats of digital optical disc data storage which have superseded compact discs, mainly because of their much greater storage capacity. A Blu-ray disc, for example, can store 25 gig or gigabytes of data on a single layer disc and 50 gig on a dual layer disc. In comparison, a standard CD is the same physical size but only holds 700 MB or megabytes of digital data.
USB flash drive, also known as a thumb drive, pen drive, flash drive, memory stick, jump drive, and USB stick. The USB flash drive has a flash memory data storage device that incorporates an integrated USB interface. Flash memory is generally more efficient than and reliable rather than optical media, being smaller, faster, and possessing much greater storage capacity, as well as being more durable due to a lack of moving parts.
Number 7. Secure Digital Card or SD card. A common type of memory card is an SD card. SD cards are used in multiple electronic devices, including digital cameras and mobile phones. Although there are different sizes, classes, and capacities available, they all use a rectangular design with one side chipped off to prevent the card from being inserted into the camera or other device the wrong way.
8. Solid-state drive, or SSD. A solid-state drive uses flashless memory to store data and is sometimes used in devices such as netbooks, laptop, and desktop computers instead of a traditional hard disk drive. The advantages of an SSD over a HDD include a faster read or write speed, noiseless operation, greater reliability, and lower power consumption. The biggest downside is cost, with an SSD offering lower capacity than an equivalently priced HDD.
Cloud storage, with user increasingly operating multiple devices in multiple places, are adopting online and cloud computing solutions. Cloud computing basically involves accessing services over a network via collection of remote servers. Although the idea of a cloud of computers may sound rather abstract to those unfamiliar with this metaphorical concept, in practice it can provide powerful storage solutions for devices that are connected to the internet.
And number 10, punch cards. Punch cards were a common method of data storage used in the early computers. Basically, they consisted of a paper card with punched or perforated holes that have been created by machine or hand. The cards were entered into the computer to enable the storage and accessing of information. This form of data storage pretty much disappeared as new and better technologies were developed.
So, did anyone learn something today? Any questions?
None, ma'am. I think we have no questions anymore.
Okay, class, we're gonna end the meeting. See you next week. Goodbye.